want you to think about a time when you had a very sick loved one suffering in pain. I'm pretty sure everyone has seen that or been through something similar in their life. Seeing loved ones in pain or being part of pain yourself is a horrible feeling. That is why I'm here to talk about medical marijuana. Medical marijuana, when used responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare provider, can be a tremendous help with very few side effects. Although this new form of medicine has only just been legalized for the past few years, we have seen many very good results from it. From the year 1999 to 2017, more than 700,000 people have died from overdosing, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. From the year 2017 to 2018, 0 people died from overdosing on marijuana. A quote directly from the CDC states, medical marijuana uses the marijuana plant or chemicals in it to treat diseases or conditions. Let's talk a little bit about marijuana and what it does exactly. Marijuana is a plant that contains more than 100 different chemicals called cannabinoids that all have a different effect on the human body. According to the Healthline, marijuana affects each body system in different ways. Here are some of the effects medical marijuana has on the body. It decreases nausea and vomiting, which are some of the main side effects of chemotherapy. Cancer patients benefit so much from this substance. Not only that, but it decreases or slows tumor growth. Also, it provides temporary pain relief, decreases inflammation, and provides glaucoma relief. One of the major issues I want to hit on is depression. Depression is huge today, and medical marijuana can help with depression, according to the articles from Heads Up Guys. Aside from helping with all those issues, it comes with highly less chance of becoming addicted and does not cause as many terrible side effects as opioids. One of the main side effects from opioids is respiratory depression, which can be fatal. Not only that, but opioids cause so much harm to different organs of the body while marijuana doesn't. Some of the main side effects of opioids listed by the CDC include constipation, dry mouth, sleepiness, and confusion, depression, physical dependence, and etc. Medical marijuana is proven to be safe and effective for treatment of many different issues in the human body. Now we're going to dive into the many different types of medical marijuana. There are over 100 different types of medical marijuana, and there are many different options for you if you do not prefer smoking or inhaling. Some include cannabis topicals, which are applied to the skin. There are even cooking supplies like butter and oil to add to your food. Cannabis is much more effective than opioids and does not come with such dangerous side effects. Next, we're going to discuss the problems medical marijuana how it can help with problems such as cancer. There are so many different terrible diseases that affect people every day. Some of these issues people face every day include Alzheimer's disease, appetite loss, cancer, eating disorders like anorexia, epilepsy, and many more. The key factor is they can all be treated by this plant. Von Miller, a psychologist and assistant professor, said the greatest amount of evidence for the therapeutic effect of cannabis related to the ability to reduce chronic pain, nausea, and vomiting due to chemotherapy, and the spasticity from MS. Also, according to the CDC, marijuana does effectively reduce muscle spasms caused from MS. There are some aspects that can affect people's experience with cannabis according to the safe access. These include the amount or dosage used, the consumption, environment or the setting, the experience and history of cannabis used. The types of cannabis used. In conclusion, medical marijuana can improve so many people's quality of life without such harmful side effects. It is no good to try to fix or take away pain caused by a problem when we are giving them a medicine that causes more problems. Medical marijuana can be given in multiple ways plus multiple routes. It is a natural plant put on this earth for many uses such as cancer, the side effects of chemotherapy, Alzheimer's disease, MS, depression, and chronic pain. No one overdoses on medical marijuana, while thousands every day are dying from opioid overdoses and suffering from addiction. I think it is time we put medical marijuana to good use and start educating ourselves and the public on the benefits.